Welcome to this walkthrough video for the setup of multi-factor authentication with an Apple iPhone. If you have an Android smartphone, such as a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel, please go back and view the appropriate video. To set up MFA, you must first install the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store. It's really important that you install the correct app, as there are a number of third-party authenticator apps on the Apple App Store. For example, the top and bottom App Store search results shown here are not the Microsoft Authenticator app. The Microsoft Authenticator app is a free app and does not contain any in-app purchases. If you are prompted to pay, you have installed the wrong app. Once you have installed the Microsoft Authenticator app, open it and agree to any data privacy notices. When you reach this point, please stop. Please do not attempt to add an account, as we will be doing this at a later stage. Return to the home screen and open your web browser. In the web browser address bar, type the address aka.ms/setup-mfa as shown here. If you do not see the Microsoft sign-in page and instead see a search result, for example from Google, you've probably made a typo. Please rewind this video and try again. On the sign-in page, enter your college email address and password. You will then be presented with the More Information Required page. Tap Next. The next page is asking us to install the Microsoft Authenticator app, but as we have already done this, we can press Next. On this page, don't click Next. Rather, tap the link which says, "Pair your account to the app by clicking this link." If for some reason you've accidentally clicked Next, you can just click the back button to return to this page. Tapping the link should launch the Authenticator app and add the account for you. If you're prompted to allow notifications, please ensure that you click Allow, as this is an important part of the app's functionality. To finish the setup of MFA, we need to go back to our web browser and click Next. As you can see, we have been prompted by the number 26 here, and I have also received a notification from Microsoft Authenticator. Opening that notification, it prompts me to enter the number which was shown to us a moment ago. In my case, that was 26. However, if you are following the video live, you will have been shown a different number. Once you've entered the number, press Yes. Return into the web browser. Press Next. Finally, click Done. Hopefully, you should now have completed multi-factor authentication setup. If you need more help, you can visit your campus learning center, or alternatively, you can view the IT support page on the college website for phone and email support options.